Okay, I think we can start. So, welcome everyone. And today's session will be on how to search structures on freely available tools which are non paid. Non paid means they're, they're web based, they're available to everyone. Let me start. Let me start the session. Show the entire screen. Hope you guys see my screen now. Okay. So I think you, whoever is watching, are drug discovery scientists or chemists or anywhere in the world. They are searching for some tools which can be used in their degree programs and other things. So how to do structure search is a big thing because if you go to SciFinder, it needs sorry, SciFinder. It needs your login credentials and it is paid version. So it is like very costly. Many of us cannot afford it. So that's why I bring today the online session, which can be very easily accessed from anywhere all around the world. So I'll quickly go through some links. Means there are some links available. These are the links which are already pasted, and I'll paste it in the chat board also, so that everyone knows what is this. You can chat here so that we can. I think there is a limit of words. Okay. Yeah. So the links are in the chat box. Some other links are placed here. So these are the links which anyone can use for their purpose. Maybe I'll share more. So first of all, let me tell you the some drawing tools which can be easily used for the drawing. That is again online. Another one is Sketcher. So there are two tools like Catcher and Mold Draw. In both of the cases, you can draw the structure. So for now, I'll be using this Mold Draw because it generates 3D structures also. The Catcher is stand-alone tool as much as like Canva. You can directly draw here and many things you can do here. And Mold Draw is also the same. So we'll be using anyone, Mold Draw or Catcher. The links are already provided. So in drug discovery, we mostly use like heterocycles, right? Suppose if you want to do some anthranilic acid type of synthesis, right? This is anthranilic, and you want to make some quinazoline or whatever. So how can we search? Like if you do Google search, that is very hectic. And I'm drawing like another compound like quinazoline. So how can we make this quinazoline? same as CamDraw and other tools, right? So I've selected, and you can see here that it is giving 3D structure also. So I'll select it, copy the smile format I can copy from here. And same way, if I paste in here, it will generate the same molecule this way. So it's the same thing actually. Mold draw and catcher are the same thing. So if I want to see if this compound has been synthesized somewhere, that is little difficult for me because I'll draw quinozoline synthesis. That will give a lot of things here and there. But if you want the desired compound to be searched, then there are many other ways. So first is, and most important, the largest one is WIPO patents, World Intellectual Property Organization patent. You will see this is the WIPO website, and for doing structure search, you need to do a login. I already registered here with my credentials. You can create an account and then do a login. I'm not going to go into the registration page. So once you log in, you will see that the search option is there. Here is the search option. This one. Once you click this chemical search or advanced search, but I'll do the chemical search. And if I paste my smile, I copied the smiles from here. Copy smiles, and if I want to paste it here, you cannot draw. This drawing is very little difficult actually, and little complicated. Just like this, you have to pull everything and do carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. It is little difficult. So what I love is to copy, create ligands here, and then come here, and then show in editor, so that I can see what has pasted. I think there is some issue. So copy smiles. Okay. Oh yeah. So I have to say smiles. Yeah. Then it will generate. Yeah. So same way, this compound is now visible here, as you can see. Then what I'll do the substructure search and exact search. Let's do exact structure search. Yes. Now here, if you search by your name, you won't get these many things. So the most important advantage of FIPO patent structure search is you can directly do the chemical structures, which is the essence of SciFinder and other tools like Reaxys and others. So let me open this one of the patents, and I'll also show what to look for because this is going to be the very big, not lot of things here, there, right? You just go to the documents, and you will see there are many things here. Again, lot of things. So once you see, so international preliminary report, that there are, it is written that page numbers also in PDF, download as PDF. So if you see largest number of pages, then you can priority documents, application body as filled. So wherever you see large number of pages that you can initial publish. Mostly it is initial publication. You have to see initial publication. And if you click the PDF, it should download the PDF. And let's see, this is I think Chinese patent. So if you find it somewhere, yeah, the compound is in here. Your compound is in here. If it is reported, yeah, to make it, it is already reported. It is internal rate ester and then chloroacetyl chloride. You can get this. Although you can do one thing if you want to see what is there, right? So you can check the full this one, and do one thing like put English. What Google will do, it will convert you to Google, like in English. So this is already in Google's ability to convert it to English version. I think translation is not working here. English translation. And again do this. See if it works. It is not. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But as you can see, and there's one more way to see what is there in written. So there's a Google Translate. You just copy and paste the contents from here, and you will get what is written in that area. Go like this. You have this, and then copy, and then here you can paste. It will automatically detect it. Yeah. So combine this nitro, ammonium chloride, ethanol, iron powder, and then Google is very smart nowadays. Everything you can see here. So if you don't see, it's okay. You can still make something good. Now let's see if we can identify another patent like this one. This is in US, I think, not in Chinese. So if you see the description is in English, right? And you can easily find where is your compound. Understanding patent is another big task actually. So as I use it many times, I can just scroll and see where is my compound like this. And if not, I'll go to other things like documents, and then I can download the PDF and see where is my document, where is my compound. So I think there is no MB zip files. Okay. And drawings also you can see how many drawings. Everything you can find it here. And claims and reactions, you can find them anywhere. So our compound is reported somewhere in the descriptions, and you can see it is reported somewhere. Yeah, this is the compound which I'm talking about. Likewise, you can get many patents, many things. Let me also open this and see if it is there. Documents, PDF, yeah, view PDF, initial publication. Yes, you can see. If it is there, you can see. It takes a little bit of time to open PDF, and here you go. You have to go below a lot of times because they do many things waste in the front side so that people will not read the patent, and then you can find the structures. So what I do generally, I do find also option. So quinazole. So if it is there, you can find it in the structure. So quinazole structure should be there somewhere in the patent. I don't know why it is not finding. Sometimes it might give the wrong result because still the WIPO patent is not that much great. So for that, Yeah, it is reported. Yeah, as you can see, A compound number A is our search compound. So if you find, they will also report where it is published. And so this is about WIPO structures. So let me reiterate again, and then search compound structures. Then you can open from somewhere like smiles, then go to here and paste it. Don't do this mistake because this is a smile. So if you hit smile, then you can show in editor. It will show in editor. Something went wrong. Okay. Again, show in editor. Yeah. So in editor, and then you can do exact search or substructures. Now let me do substructure search this time. For exact search, it gave me some results. For substructure search, let's see what is available. Yeah. So substructure search is something like this. You can find lot of compounds like this. One, two, three, four, five, 6 pages. Lot many compounds. So this is also dimethoxy compound. And if I want to see nitro compound and blah 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 blah, many compounds are similar in nature. This helps a lot. This suppose I want to see this one. So I'll click here. I want to see F3 volume, right? I think I clicked something else. Still, I can see exact search, and then it will do a lot of things. So similarly, you can do many things from WIPO patterns. Don't forget to add the smile here. Is there anyone asking or something? No, there's no chat. I think no one is there, but no problems. I'll complete this. So this is about WIPO search. And if you don't know, if you don't have login of WIPO, then also we can do search. Right? The other tool is very famous PubChem. The PubChem drawing is very nasty, right? Yeah, yeah. Drawing really takes a lot of time. And again, not clean. So let me see if I can paste the same smile here. Again, you have to see smiles, right? And then accept this. Accept this. So you have to press enter. Then it comes. Don't forget to press enter. Then you can accept it. Yes. So now you have this. There it is. Yeah. Okay. Now you have this compound. Again, very important. Same thing. I'm searching on the other tool like PubChem. Now you will see this is the compound information where I can get synthetic information. Yes, so you can go to literatures, and literatures you'll find many things. If it is reported somewhere or some around, you'll get very updated information. You can see most recent, most updated. Let's see this one. If it is cutting edge textile, just suppose I'm a medicinal chemist, so I'll see radiated this one. So it will open the literature then. So if I can make this compound from somewhere, yes, there are many pathways to make this. Just see very clearly this one. So it shows how can I make this chloro compound, quinazolene methylchloro, with many pathways, enteralic acid esters, enanthalamides, cyanamides, and many. This way it will give directly links to the papers. Now, if you have, if you want to search patents, this is another very. So you will get patent numbers and direct links. So let me connect this one, targeted protein modification, and I'll click this. Then it opens again PubChem only. What I'll do, I'll click on full text. Then I get this link directly. So Google Patent is always good. It gives whatever the language it is, it will convert it into English. This way, directly the PDF or the link is open here, and you can see where is the compound. If it is not there, then search on words and many more things. So you'll definitely find somewhere. If not, there is an option download PDF. You just save it and do whatever you want to do. So if it is in Chinese pattern, let's see. If I look on this Chinese pattern, and again I'll go full text, Google patents, and see the magic now. It is converting into English. So all China language is converted into English. See this already in English, right? And boom. So no need, no worries. Kunazoli, no, Zoli. So chances of chloromethyl quinol. Yes, you find it. It's at room temperature, chloroacetonitrile added this. If I have this compound, even I can search on the PDF also. This way I find many compounds. And I design my own schemes without SciFinder. Without SciFinder. This is the magic of current age. So this one they already reported. No, you can find here in Chinese, but in web-based it is in English. I don't know if it is there. So let's convert this text to translate to Chinese. English to Mandarin, right? Yes. Mm, let's see this. Okay, let me copy from this. Then automatically it will do it from whatever language. It will detect no? So Chinese. Chinese. If I do this, okay. Now let's see if I copy and paste from here. There is number. Nozoli. The same thing I'll paste it here. This one. Let's see what it says now. Yeah. Then I can copy from here, and then I'll go here and Control S, Control V. Let's see if it is there. I don't know. Anyways, this letters are sometimes going here and there. This one there. Oh, yeah, this one. Found it. Fortunately. Yes. What is this? Okay, yeah. I found this. Even you can do Chinese search, and then you can convert it to normal. Okay, so this is about the Chinese version. One message from how can we check the reported synthetic stage from natural product synthesis. I think weapon you can do. I'll come to this point because there are many tools like there are many name reactions and Sin archive. I think Sin archive. Yeah, this website there is a lot of methods reported for machine control. You can see this in archive, and then I think this is the best resources for you. Weapon Sin archive gives you a lot of compound browse by molecule. Whatever you have, many. Suppose I'm opening carbenols, bacteria, उधर ही मिलेगा नीचे देख लो नीचे जाके yes so I'm opening something like lot of there morphine is well known so it will give synthesis of morphine anytime like 2019 80s so if I open morphine synthesis in 2009 it will give everything and all the papers connections many hope I gave your answer Lupin. Full synthetic schemes you can find in full synthetic schemes in our everything, including you'll find a lot of like full articles from here. This one is more full. Yeah, and so this is another tool. Let's go beyond this. Still, I have two tools open. I'll keep this mold row open so that I can open new things. So I did PubChem search and did WIPO patent search. There's another way, very interesting. Campbell, same way. I'll show you what it can do. Campbell again, you have to search. It looks like when it is, it opens like this. Advanced search. Then again, you have to just paste it like this, add to canvas, and here you go. This is your compound. Now you can do similarity or substructure search. So I'm doing substructure search. Whether I find anything is related compounds. Related compounds. So suppose if I want to open this is chloro-nitrile one. So let's see this one. And it opens up like this. And again you will see the literatures are there and activity charts, molecular alternatives, representation, and many more. Right? You can find many things here. Pop, Campbell is a vast database. Vast. So activity chart, literature, and many structural alerts, unique human activity. You can find from here SciFinder, some vendors also you can find, right? Okay. I think the other link is not good. So let me draw some more simple numbers. More simple means connected heteronicus, midazolopyridine. Okay. And the same as Campbell. I can draw oxygen directly, press O, and something like this. So this one is midazolopyridine ester. Let me copy it and then advanced search. Then structure, I'll paste it here, add to canvas, put it here, substructure. If it is there, it will show, otherwise it won't. Keys, okay, cookies is there. Again, you can edit search, you can do similarity search. Yeah, it is there. So if it is Campbell, it's still salt or whatever. Again, you will get something. Activity charts, references. Chem, Chem Spider. It is obtained from Chem Spider. Yes, this one. Chem Spider is another tool that will talk sometimes. Here you can search or report or whatever you want to do. More vendors, properties, needs, right? I'll go back and see if something else is available. Literature, there is no data available in this. But if you see, if you space same compound in PubChem, I think you can get something. Enter, press enter, accept structures. So there is one structure, exact structure. So PubChem is more or related to biological. This gives you more of synthetic one. Since there is no evolution of carbo, imidazole building carbohydrate. So let's see what is there. If full text is available, yeah, it is there. So you can download PDF and you can directly see if the compound is available or not. Yeah. So this way you can synthesize. 2-aminopyridine and then bromo compound, get to see if there is plug, then you can modify. Just directly you can get it. Same way you can get patents. Patents if they reported, Chinese or whatever else, it will be opening in Google. So that is another good way. Full text, again Chinese text, you'll get something good one. Yeah, same way. It will convert automatically. It will convert to English. Because Google patent is very powerful. If not, I think there is an option English. Just press it, and then it converts to English. And here it is your compound. Similar to aminoproteins, or somewhere here you'll find it definitely. There are many methods reported for immunoproteins and a lot of good things. So don't forget to use Google patents in any language. It is available. It converts to English. Right now, I think we can again see what other tools are available. Now, chemical search drawing tool like this one. So there's another option like chemical book. If someone wants to search large compounds, so again same way you can paste it here, paste, add to canvas. Same compound if you want to see exact search you can do. Search, hit the search button. Then it will give you a lot of information if it is there. If not, it won't give you. Maximum 200 records. I think it is there. So click here, then you'll get many things like how to synthesize it. Yeah, this one. This is giving you the direct synthesis. If it is available, it will give you synthetic root itself and then all the publication. Isn't this good? The same structure can be synthesized and it will give you proceed. Wow. If it is there, it will. If not, it won't. So you see this compound is available and can be synthesized from these many things. And you see, if I open it, it will say this is dual element. So is it the one which I opened? SCS 2015, volume 6. It's not the one. 6, I think. It should be available directly. Is it not giving it? Okay. This is search it. Your permission sign. So this is medicinal chemistry later. We'll do the browse, then wait for this is medicinal chemistry letters. So this is 2015 article. Browse. Discovery shows 2015. Things. 15. Then volume 6, 3. Volume 6. Volume 6. And 3. Volume 6 and 3. 7, 3, 6, and 3. Issue 3. And then you can just see 359 to 362. Yes, this one. In this article, it should be, yeah. Another good thing is we have almost access, so we can directly use InfluNet. Recently, we got this subscription. Thank God we have this now. Now you can see the structure, how it is synthesized. Yeah, hang on. So directly you can search, you can do many things from just a small thing. So chemical book. This is another very good tool, very good online tool. There's no chat. I think. Yeah. Okay. So chemical book we did. We did Vipopitent, we did PubChem, we did Campbell, and I think there's some other tools that can be used in organic synthesis. Here also you can see lot of organic synthesis things. And there are many pages which you can see. There are many reactions. There are open source reactions, and you can do a lot of things here. Search things, search reactions, and many type of compounds you can synthesize. So this is also open source, available online. No need of subscriptions. Just you need to know the right way to search. So the organic synthesis, if it is opening, let me also do one thing, and then organic chemistry portal. That is another thing. Organic synthesis is another thing. Organic chemistry portal is another thing. You can find reactions, chemistry definitions, and many tools like many things here. Organic reactions, name reactions, protecting groups, organic reaction, total synthesis. Also, this is good for, I think, Wipin. This is also good for you. You can get many natural compound synthesis here. Lot of tocopherol and everything you can find here. Also, another good thing is protecting group. Protecting chemistry, full protection chemistry is available. You can just click on whatever protecting group. Suppose I'm clicking what is called amine friction. Okay, yeah, this one. Amine friction is block or TFR. Okay, let's try for rest of it. And then you can see a lot of things, how it is protected, how it is decreased, and examples, and many things. Many things. Selimide, benzamide, carbonamides, and many things you can do. Many good options. Mineral carbon, CBZ. What is the condition you can cleave? And so this is about organic chemistry portal. This is about organic synthesis. You can do. I think draw structure is not working for me. It gives some some wrong results. I don't know if it is. It is doing this structure search, smiles, search, accept. If it does, then it is good. Otherwise, I don't know. I think there is an issue with search compound organisms, but it is also a good source of many reactions like this. You can do many things here, right? And then comes the other tool like named organic reaction. So named like SynArchive. SynArchive is already mentioned. There are name organic protecting groups. And the beauty of this is you will get a lot of literature, similar literature. So the O-benzyl methyl esters. So you will get something like this. And it is connected with the natural product synthesis. So click it and then you can find the total synthesis. Yeah. And then you can open it. Very good. Very good. So you just click the name reactions and then go Biginali reaction. Then you see the Biginali reactions and the examples of Biginali reactions. Just click it and then you can find the Biginali reactions used in somewhere. Wherever it is used. Like this. So this is another very important Blaze reaction. And then you can find the Blaze reactions and this where it is used. This gives you a lot of good and also the browse by molecule. You can find Aragastinine whenever it is been synthesized. Full synthetic scheme for all. I think if you see azadiractine, yeah, azadiractine. This compound is I think synthesized in hundreds, 79 steps, three parts. I'm amazed how people do it here. This is obtained from neem, Azadiracta indica. So nature does a lot of things. So this is organic SynArchive, and then if you see ChemSpider. ChemSpider is another tool where if you see nitration, it will give some nitration examples, and if you click it, it will give the procedure and everything. If it is ChemSpider, then you can believe it. ChemSpider. Suzuki. If it is Suzuki, then you'll find Suzuki reaction example. And you can also get the full procedure. So ChemSpider is for everything like reactions. And you can just see this is nowadays very much in use. Thalidomide synthesis, very easy steps. And these are the methods which are already being used. and very well established. One part, one step into the pyramid, like this. So many things can be done here, and I think this spider, organic model, repo patents, many things we covered in this. So we covered WIPO patents. Yeah. So we covered WIPO patents, we covered Campbell, PubChem, Organism Portal, ChemSpider, Organic Chemistry Portal, named reaction in archive, and chemical structure database. And one more thing I think is left, e-molecules. 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 Yeah. This I forgot to mention actually. You can you can do one thing here. Search. Here you will find many things like the vendors, if it is available or not available. Yeah. So e-molecules is another very good tool where you can search the chemicals, if or you can say intermediates. I'll paste this also in the chat box. What is the beauty of this is you just search it and you can find the vendors. If more number of vendors, and even you can see the prices. This is the beautiful thing. If you want to buy this, it will rough price. This one, 1 gram, 5 gram, 25 gram. So at least you will get some idea from where I can get this. BLD form tag. You can find it BLD form tag. You can just click it, open it, and then it will. I think it will give you the path to BLD form. No, okay. But it is like this. So you can directly see if the compound is expensive or not expensive, and how can I get it, from where I can get it. So it is the largest one, I think. You can search anything here, anything here. So if I want to search the older compound, where it is, yes, this one, quinazoline, if I want to search. The same which I saw it there. And copy a smile and then paste in smiles, search. If it is there, it will show. Yes, it is also there. And if you see, if you click this one or view compound info, it will give you a lot of things here. This one is there, who is providing it, and many things. Let's see this one, and then I can get the price also. 5 grams for $93. This is like MC, Chemica, Chemidots, and many vendors. So this has a lot of things in it. So I had my thing also. It is in my folder. So as search, structure search, this many things is an excellent thing to do, right? And I think this is it. Or if you have anything, you can write me the email on ochanward ac.in. If you have any issues, you can write me on this email ID oconvert@ac.in. this is it, I think. So have a nice day and hope you enjoy this session. And if anyone of you have any query, please let me know. We can still do another session on this topic, or if you want any other topics to be discussed, I'm here. And this is a small token to the society because I learned a lot from the society. So I just wanted to give it back. Also. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.